Adding a new domain address to WordPress can mean either registering a brand new domain, connecting an existing one, or changing your current site's domain name. So in this video, I'll show you how to add new domain address in WordPress. So to get started, go ahead and open WordPress on your browser and then sign in to your account. Now, once you're signed in to your account, go ahead and click on this Add a Domain button under the quick links at the right side of your screen. Now, in here, as you can see, you can search for a domain that you want to buy. But since what you want to do is to add a new domain address that you already have, what you'll need to do is to click on this back button at the top left of your screen, and then that will take you back into the domain section of your WordPress website. So in here, click on Add New Domain at the top right of your screen. You can also find Use a Domain I Own. So click on that, since what we want to do is to add a new domain that you already have. So in here, you just need to enter the domain that you want to use for your WordPress website and update your domain's DNS settings to point to WordPress name servers. And that is how you can basically add a new domain on WordPress. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.